since we are on a roll with cleaning the house and getting all of our cleaners and soaps and such filled, I thought I would show you how we make our hand soap. So we take these foaming hand soap bottles and just continue to reuse them until these get really icky and gross or clog up or no longer work. But we take those and then we fill them with Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, and we use the unscented. And we do about 2 tablespoons of soap in there. And then you take your favorite oil. Of course, we're using Thieves. That's one of our main go-tos for oils in our hand soap, especially during this time of the craziness of what's going on. And I'd say that was about 12 drops. You can do anywhere between 8 and 12 to 15 if you even want it a little stronger. It doesn't necessarily need that much. And then we're going to fill it with distilled water. And don't go too high because of this little pump right here. You want to leave it some space for it. I'm having a hard time multitasking today, guys. Sorry. And then you put it all on, and there is your foaming hand soap. And here is how it comes out. Easy peasy. I mean, you probably wouldn't even need to use that much Castile soap in here because that's even a little bit, foamier. Anywhere between 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons would be my recommendation. Sometimes this is even really good for shaving cream. This makes a really good lather for that with how thick I made this one. So, and then, of course, smells delicious like Thieves. Sometimes I do like a Thieves and Lavender mix too. Otherwise, you can do Purification or drop some comments below on what oil you would use in your foaming hand soap. They just came out with a luscious lemon hand soap with some ylang-ylang in it. That might be a good mix too. All right, guys, have fun.